KBB Fair Market Range High, 4,222 Black Gold Pearlcoat 2013 Ram 1500 Maintenance performed by John Sinclair Nissan, 17x7 steel wheels, Class 4 receiver hitch, cruise control, exterior mirrors with heating element, heated door mirrors, power door mirrors, power steering.odometer is 43,243 miles below market average reviews. If you've been searching for a rugged full-size truck that packs the latest in vehicle entertainment along with best-in-class fuel economy, the 2013 Ram 1500 should be at the top of your list. Source: KBB.com. Supple ride and composed handling, 8-speed transmission, impressive base V6 engine, refined cabin, impressive tech features and controls. Source: Edmunds.